I was raised on a dairy farm until the age of 9. Then I lived in a big city, Kiev, until the age of 17. And so for the last 4.5 years, I've been living back on this dairy farm. Everybody seems to think that, oh, I know about dogs, I've owned a dog, and I should be able to tell whether it's sick or not. We assumed that one of the good parts of this research was for clinical diagnostics, that owners would be able to see certain behavioral changes in their dogs and say, hey, let's get this dog to a vet before it gets too bad. I've grown up with animals. I mean, well, especially until the age of 9, everything was cows and cows and school, basically. Yeah. I'm from a Mennonite community that I'm the first person in my whole church who actually went through high school. I got all sorts of feedback from that from my coworkers.
Almost those 2.5 beats, right? Remembering something.
They now know that I'm not the type of Mennonite that drives a horse and buggy, but they do know that I'm the type of Mennonite who does not have a TV in his home, and my mom wears a long dress and the thing on her head, we call it a covering or a veiling, and they do know that I have certain lifestyle, I say choices. Faith is based on a desire to seek truth and to live it out very fundamentally in our daily lives. And the truth we are finding is found in God, in His creation. And my view of His creation doesn't jive with my evolutionary teaching in science, but that's okay. There are two different poles, and yet I find reasons to still look at it as much more than tradition, much more than just a faith. I find scientific reasons to believe my understanding of the Bible.